Yo, Kyra, come in, Kyra. Yo, come in. Yo, man, never sign up for this, you know. Master Chief who just send man out of it dead. Man from Hungry Belly and one bag of something. Me not can say. Bad boy. Big ol' AK-40 gas a catch me. So all of my mission them aboard man for aboard them a mission aboard and aboard. Man never sign up for this, you know. Boy, calm down still. My blood pressure feel high. Jesus. Last sweetie. Last meal for me this, you know. I wonder where I want Kyra there. Jesus Christ. Last bull. Now me near. Enjoy yourself, you know. Because me soon dead. When you try a while, take up back your gun. Right to the door. Yo! Ready to go for that one?
Oh yes man, we catch you now. Boy. Boy.
Target neutralized.
Master Chief who chain me for nothing. That.
Gang, guys, and don't know, say, boy Pumpkin Belly out here again there with our next banger. You know what I mean? It's been about almost 2 weeks now we not drop no video, so just stay tuned. No say if you drop a like on the video. Don't subscribe, don't send it to a friend. Share the link them, man. And make sure you say hit notification bell to be notified of every new video we drop, you know what I mean? And guys, show some love, man. Go follow our Instagram. Go follow my producer, Kai_Plumber. You know what I mean? Right, that's over on Instagram and follow me right there at Javon AJ Hines, you know what I mean? Stay tuned, gang. We out there again.